Using FedEx for shipping involves a few straightforward steps. Here's a concise guide to help you through the process. Pack your item. Use a sturdy box and appropriate packing materials to protect your item. Seal the box securely with packing tape. Label your package. Clearly write the recipient's address and your return address on the package. Use a printed label if possible for clarity. Select service level. Go to the FedEx website or app to review different shipping options such as FedEx Ground, FedEx Express, or FedEx Overnight. Choose based on your delivery time requirements and budget. Log in or create account. Access your FedEx account or create one on FedEx.com. Enter shipment details. Fill in the recipient's address, package weight, and dimensions. Select your preferred shipping service. Calculate and pay shipping costs. Use the online tool to get a shipping cost estimate and pay online. Print shipping label. Print the label and attach it securely to your package. Drop off. Take your package to a nearby FedEx drop-off location or authorized shipping center. Schedule pickup. If preferred, schedule a FedEx pickup online or through the app. Tracking. Use the tracking number provided to monitor your shipment's progress on the FedEx website or app.